Bateman Engineering NV is a leading engineering project and equipment supplier that serves a range of industries worldwide. Our main focus is on delivering an innovative solution to unlock the value of natural resources through converting them into marketable products. Bateman is a truly international company. Through its subsidiary companies, it has a footprint on all continents apart from Antarctica. Bateman opted to implement the Google Enterprise suite of products that includes the Google Message Discovery services, with the initial focus just on the messaging and email. Historically, Bateman had 18 exchange mail servers scattered across the globe that needed constant attention. But even with our best efforts, IT could never give the business a guarantee of 99% uptime. The key benefits for the business is cost, compliance, scalability, and reduction of complexity, and of course, operational downtime. Grove is a fantastic partner that gave Bateman all the necessary facilitation with our bold move into the cloud. If I had to do it all over again, I'll still opt to do it with Grove. Bateman saves a lot of operational IT time. We don't worry about backing up important mail correspondence anymore, nor employing more system engineers to look after the exchange servers. We can spend our time better.
We decided to roll out Google Apps for each of our offices independently for two important reasons. Firstly, our goal is for Bateman to be globally unified under the domain name bateman.com. And secondly, our organization currently runs multiple Active Directory domains and forests. Since the migration, our users have experienced a greater level of global collaboration, embedding the Bateman philosophy of us being one single entity. In addition, our users have been very happy with the quick and stable access to email from anywhere but that Bateman has a presence. Going Google, as opposed to keeping an in-house system, has been very advantageous for Bateman. It has enabled us to reduce our total cost of ownership by eliminating the footprint of an email system utilizing disk, backup, and physical hardware. It also meant that we no longer needed to maintain specialist skills in order to maintain a running email infrastructure. We also found that many of our remote site users would often resort to using Google Mail, as our in-house system would not work properly with the latencies involved with satellite communication back to head office. So, deploying Google Apps as a solution worked perfectly for these site offices. In terms of disaster recovery, we now only need to provide our end user with an internet connection for them to be able to maintain productivity and collaborate with their colleagues. With the Grove Group handling our account management, migration and support, Bateman's transition to Google Apps has been accompanied with excellent service and a bevy of competent staff who have an exemplary understanding of the product. Carefully monitoring our bandwidth utilization since the migration of Google Apps started, we have noticed an overall decrease in web traffic, significantly in SMTP traffic. We have noticed a slight increase in HTTP traffic, attributable to our utilization of the Google Apps Sync tool as opposed to using the native Google Web Mail interface. In addition to Google Mail, we have been deploying the Google Talk service. This has enabled all our users to easily collaborate on a global scale, something that before was only possible to a select few. Our senior members of staff have already started using Google Docs and have found it to be an invaluable tool for instant and meaningful collaboration. Email is the single most important service that IT offers. With the multitude of tools, stability, and seamless global connectivity that Google Apps offers, we can truly offer our users an unbeatable service.